Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the details of all things beauty to bring you honest insights. If you're someone who loves a bold eye look that lasts, you're going to want to hear about this product. Today, we're diving into the e.l.f. Lock It Down Eyeshadow Primer, a game changer for anyone who struggles with eyeshadow creasing or fading. So let's break down what this primer is all about. First off, it's formulated to be a smooth, creamy base that helps your eyeshadow stay put all day long. Whether you're using powder or liquid eyeshadows, this primer intensifies your color while keeping everything in place. It's non-greasy, which is key for that long-lasting wear without feeling heavy on the eyelids. It promises to create a canvas for your eye makeup that not only helps the color pop, but also prevents smudging and creasing throughout the day. In terms of ingredients, this primer is clean beauty at its finest. e.l.f. products are all cruelty-free, vegan, and made with skin-loving ingredients. So you can feel good knowing that you're putting something on your skin that's free of toxins. Using it is simple. You just pat it onto your eyelids with your fingertip to create a smooth surface for your eyeshadow. But how does it actually perform in real-life use? Let me tell you. I tested this primer during a full day of wear with both liquid and powder eyeshadows, and I found that the product delivered on its promises. The eyeshadow stayed vibrant and fresh looking from morning until night, and there was no noticeable creasing or fading. Plus, the texture is really light, so it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the skin. A definite plus for anyone with oily lids, or for those who need a primer that works under different types of makeup. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: the non-greasy formula makes it a great option for all skin types, including those with oilier eyelids. It really does enhance eyeshadow color, making your shadows pop and last longer. The product is cruelty-free and vegan, so you're supporting ethical beauty practices. It's easy to use, just a quick pat, and you're good to go. Cons: the sheer finish may not provide enough of a base for super dramatic eyeshadow looks or those who need extra coverage. Some users might prefer a more velvety or matte primer texture, especially if you're looking for something to smooth over fine lines or discoloration. When it comes to value for money, this one is pretty spot on. e.l.f. is known for making high-quality products at affordable prices, and the Lock It Down Eyeshadow Primer fits that model perfectly. At its price point, you're getting a product that works effectively to keep your eyeshadow vibrant and crease-free all day. As for alternatives, there are a few options in the market, but e.l.f. definitely holds its own. If you're looking for something a bit more high-end, there are more expensive primers from brands like Urban Decay or Too Faced, but they often come with a price tag that doesn't always justify the extra features. The e.l.f. primer provides a comparable performance for a fraction of the cost, which makes it a solid choice for anyone on a budget. In terms of build quality, the primer comes in a simple, compact tube that's easy to use and store. It's not the most luxurious packaging, but it's practical and functional. As for longevity, a little goes a long way with this product. I found that even with daily use, a single tube lasts for quite some time. Customer service, while not directly relevant for this product, is one of e.l.f.'s strong suits. The brand is known for its responsive and customer-focused service, which gives you peace of mind in case you need any assistance. In conclusion, the e.l.f. Lock It Down Eyeshadow Primer is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their eyeshadow's color and wear time without breaking the bank. It performs well, especially for its price, and offers a clean beauty option that's both effective and ethical. If you want to make sure your eyeshadow stays vibrant and crease-free all day, this product might be just what you're looking for. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.